Hello everyone and welcome back to the last episode of 7 Day Editing Series. It wasn't exactly 7 days, I kinda ended earlier than I thought, and I am posting this video late. That's a great combo. Anyways, I have the edit finished, so I just wanna say a few things. I started this edit to see if I can make like a good edit, basically. And I watched the edit, and it isn't the worst, but it's definitely not the best. So what I'm gonna do, try to get better at editing, try to learn some things like, and actually some person recommended me using other apps as well, like After Effects. And the thing is, I tried Premiere Pro once, and I mean I was completely lost, bro. Like I had no idea. Like I guess the only thing I was able to do in there was subtitles. So before I, get a better editing app like After Effects, Light Motion, or anything else, I'm gonna stick with CapCut. But yeah, there's still a lot to learn, so that's good. But I'm happy that the series got quite popular, so I could help at least a little bit to some people. Hopefully this edit will be enough to show my friends that I'm the best editor out of them. So you like it, and yeah, I guess that's kinda all I have to say. Enjoy.